In the area, she was the one who has got selected and got the chance to experience that.
Sini pedang sobha epi kipat ki bape ka channel jong forefront media hakane ka kenting adon bad iway na ki khynnah hangthe hari bhoi district iba day ila banong ide young scientist ibala shim banta haka young scientist program kabala penyada ka Indian Space Research Organization lane ka ISRO ini di khynnah nanti na than riboy iba layale yakane ka examen kaba napring hang ne all over India ki don ki langngut ki students ki bai shim banta hakane ka young scientist program but namai khlaya ki don langngut but ini de na iway na preng jong kita ki bala pass yakane ka exam but menta kasi ka jing penkup buram ye I nakaliang ka state education department but kumju nakaliang jong ka Bharti Airtel Foundation ki be don lang hakane kasi
nga kerteng Nafisa Bedis Imli pangasyon class 9 ka kerteng juga sekolah jangat kade Wanrah RMSA secondary school Sumer ka program te bangasyon mentang kade ga pang UVK program ka long kumbai kade young scientist ka ba ki kayang I kumno pang ka space but pang ka technology nang ta ki ai bun ji hikai ki kum ki hikai ngi ben shna kum rocket nang ta kum chandrayaan ket nga sungu ro ya ublei ngai ngu ya ublei ba ula dan ringkat lang bat nga bat la ai nga kan ikalat bangan yo let ha kata ka isro bat nang ta nga ai kuplei shushu ya ki no hikai jonga ya imei pa ba kilaya support yang nga kila courage yang bangan posh shushu kan ikalat nang ta nga ai kuplei ya I Dr. Swaminil ibala ai give nga ka iPad but ngala comment shushu bangala yo ka iPad sendan but ngam nang chuban batai ko ngala so comment palat
ke I ka jingmut ka jong kane ka jingjak happy maroi ke I ka jingmut
hanga maroi ta jingjak tu ala now share bangala snow ka asus comment bet namangala yo soban participate yo bekendu iki scientist baper tang yo kendu itu chairman jong ISRO ro yo kendu iki tu ki scientist isule online part ni yo kendu iki yo keren lang iki tu ki scientist badan Antarctica antai iki tu ki astronaut ki badan salek mentau senam bandai stage po space
ki kolom scientist nane hadian habon
da hangat ngam tre nama ngam or bang ngam tre long ngam na ngam ngadan mo taka bang stenat hi ka science ro stenat hi tang bang ngam tre bat ban long scientist
ko long yu
ko long IS officer
IS ni mentah jala jongi dona shaking ki IS dan bak ma ban mi na ma fi ma
tada ko bala IS khna ba ka ni ka me galai jongi kan pau bha
temen tapa kadon bai principal jong ka school RMSA nang thena berwa ka bade ka school jong ina Fisabet kama philai sko ya ka jingkran ka pati mane temen tang kadon bai principal phila bani thu ni ke ka jing so ka jong pi hadian ba pi yo iwe ni student jong pi ban yo ya ka ne ka award
te takan long dah ka pot bekiwan ni kyong engin hab ban pen ko buram in your award ye te ngir kan poi perkha kan expect ra bakan dalong hadu kat ni te kata ka jing mo kata ka ba in poi hadu kan dika level hadu kan dika abang yes ngo komen palat ke nyam chumpoi perkhat te ngi wan dala imene long ba hadu ba I sama I director jangiru sapnel tembe ida kwa he ban ni kudu personally te hadin nong tu ngile hakam rajong iru te shibun bahai lakli jingkli I te shapang jong kan ISRO shibun bahai lakli lakwa ru I kum do ban yarap ye I kum to te sakau ro ngi solong kan det bhan ma bai la yu sakan ka gift nai te nya khoble shibun ya kham ta mi ka Bharti nang kong ka introducing ngi nang ta ya kan lesak isro nang ta pade isaru isatambiru nya khoble te kham tam le te ka mo ka jing ngo ngo ka jing buram dei khana sekolah jong hi bai la tre shitom bai la yo ka ya kan ka ayu moi kan ka award ka ba dei jong ka national bar kum juru ya kan ka gift ka ba yo na isa.
My name is Tanvi Bhatia. I study in primary secondary school and I am a student of class 6. So my program's name was the Young Explorer Contest, which is also known as Ticklings. There were 3 subjects: language, science and maths. My subject was maths and I have to make a video, and for my theme of the contest was calculate the cost of your favorite family meal. Me and even my father, my teachers and also my mentor, Ma'am Dionisha, helped me to make this contest. They encouraged me to do this contest nicely. I have been to program related to science from when I was in class 4. I am attending a program related to the environment and science organized by the SCSTE.
We all teachers and principal in school were so excited after her results. Like it was the hard work, especially done by her only. I should give the full credit to the students. Had it been she's not bright enough and cooperative enough, it will not possible for the teachers to guide.
Today is the proof actually that so many teachers have contributed in this TLM which we have inaugurated, launched today, and I've just gone through the TLM. It's very good, and that shows that the teachers are really putting in the efforts, and this will inspire more teachers. Then second part is that students have they have participated in national level competitions, and one of the girl, she got to go to ISRO, so that shows that the kind of the effectiveness of the program. So I want to congratulate the Bharti Airtel Foundation on the achievements.